Hi, I'm Johnny Internet. If you're a business owner, you're probably frustrated trying to figure out ways that you can use social media to get new customers. And the reason for this is that businesses always do the same three things. They spend the time and the money to establish themselves on networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. They spend the time and or the money to grow their network to a few hundred or even a few thousand people. And finally, they spend the time or the money to post relevant content consistently on those networks. And then after all that, they still don't have any measurable results. And here's the reason. If you're posting content on your own private social channels, you're reaching your own private network. And those people already clicked like on your page, which means they're probably already your customer or somebody that knows you. So in essence, you're preaching to the choir. The other thing is if you're posting only on your network, you're only posting to your network, which is a few hundred or a few thousand people. There's over 2 billion on Facebook alone. Want to reach the other 2 billion? Let me give you a hint how that's done. Do you remember the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge about 5 years ago? Celebrities, business moguls, everybody on Facebook was dumping buckets of water over their head. And they were writing checks to ALS to fund research for Lou Gehrig's disease. The reason that they were doing this is because they went on Facebook one day and somebody that they know dumped a bucket of water over their head and then challenged them to do the same. And when they went out and got their own bucket of water and they went out and they videotaped themselves, where did they send the video? Did they send it to ALS or the guy that invited them? No. They posted it on their own private social channel. So it was seen by their own friends, and then they invited their friends to take the challenge, and if they wanted to do it, they had to post it on their own private social channel. So the secret to marketing on social media is to get your content on other people's social network. So how do you do that? I can show you how to do it. It only takes a few seconds. Just click the link below.